I am pleased to announce that the LTO's licensing offices in the East Avenue have started the issuance of a driver's license with a 10-year validity on October 28, 2021. Ang lisensya ng ating mga sa driving sa lahat is good for 10 years. Wala nang renewal na madalian. You have 10 years to drive. Baka hindi mo maubos yung period na yan sa 10 years is it's a long haul. The rest of the offices in the NCR shall start issuance of the same in November 2021, to be followed by all other regions progressively. By December 2021, the LTO commits that all its offices nationwide will be issuing licenses with a 10-year validity.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.